Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Gar fish is quite fascinating, isn't it? Its firm, white flesh offers a subtly sweet flavor, perfect for a variety of dishes. Many people are surprised by how easy it is to work with. We'll show you exactly how to transform this distinctive fish into a wonderful meal that everyone will enjoy. It's truly a hidden gem in the culinary world. Before we cook, proper preparation is key. Begin by cleaning and scaling your gar. Its skin can be quite tough, so precision helps. Then, carefully fillet the fish, ensuring all bones are removed for a pleasant eating experience. Once filleted, cut your portions to suit your meal plan. This groundwork ensures your gar cooks beautifully and tastes fantastic. There are several fantastic ways to cook gar, each bringing out different qualities. Pan frying, for instance, gives you a beautiful golden crust and keeps the inside wonderfully tender. If you prefer a smoky taste, grilling is an excellent choice, adding a distinct char. Baking, on the other hand, is super easy and ensures your fish remains incredibly moist throughout. Each method truly highlights gar's unique texture. Gar fish really shines with simple, thoughtful seasoning. Often, just a pinch of salt and fresh cracked pepper is all you need to highlight its natural sweetness. Don't forget fresh herbs. A little dill or parsley can add a lovely, fresh aroma. And for that perfect finishing touch, a squeeze of lemon juice just before serving will brighten everything up beautifully. It really makes the flavors pop. Once your gar is perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy your creation. Pair it with something light, perhaps some steamed green beans or a crisp garden salad. A simple garnish, like a sprig of fresh dill or a lemon wedge, can make your dish look extra inviting. Take a moment to savor the flavors you've prepared. Cooking gar is a rewarding experience, and now you have a delicious meal to share.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.